mixology moment.
The moment we've all been waiting for. Let's talk turkey today on Hot Mixology, or let's talk vodka turkey if we can. Let's chat vodka turkey with Chat Vodka. Now, here's what I did, my own turkey recipe, and I used a chicken today because it was quicker to cook than a turkey, but I'll tell you what we did here. Chat Vodka, the premium vodka. My friend Melissa that came up with this product. It was a school project. They really set it off with the other students, so her father helped her bring it to market. And Chat Vodka, premium vodka made right here in the USA, distilled from grain, a unique filtration process they have. I mean, Chat Vodka, the original and the strawberry flavor, they're both just excellent premium products. So what I did was take the chicken, so let's talk like it was a turkey when you cook your holiday turkey this year. What you're gonna do is about 24 hours before you're gonna cook the turkey, go ahead and infuse the turkey with Chat Vodka. Now it usually comes with that butter baster that you put it in. Put the Chat Vodka in that syringe, put it in. You wanna get it into the turkey and let it absorb into the meat, that vodka, for 24 hours. Now after you've done that, you're gonna cook the turkey as you usually would in the oven, and incorporate your vegetables however you would, the stuffing, however you regularly do your turkey recipe. But the last 2 hours of cooking the turkey, you want to use a cup of Chat Vodka and just baste it on the turkey there with those juices from the turkey and from the vegetables. Baste that vodka in about every 20 minutes for the last 2 hours there, and it's going to incorporate onto the skin of the turkey and those great flavors from the Chat Vodka, and just make it a wonderful Thanksgiving. Now, I'm calling it the Chat Vodka Turkey. The recipe's on hotmixology.com, and to enjoy my Chat Vodka turkey, I made just a dirty martini with Chat Vodka. I shook it up on the ice, put it in a chilled martini glass, and just garnished it with some blue cheese stuffed olives. It's Hot Mixology. That's a Hot Mixology moment. Enjoy your Thanksgiving with the Chat Vodka turkey this year. Salud, everybody.